a regular smartphone had a built-in cooling fan. Most people think that's only for gaming phones, but the new OPPO K15, launched yesterday, is trying something different. So, does it actually make a real difference? Let's find out. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. First, the design. This is the speed white version. The back has a storm-inspired cloud texture that shifts beautifully in the light. Next to the camera is a blue breathing light that reacts to music, gaming, calls, and notifications. Even better, the two corner light zones can be customized separately, so you can match the colors and effects to your own style. The OPPO K15 is 8.27 millimeters thick and weighs 205 grams. It's not the lightest because of its metal frame, but it feels sturdy and premium. On the front, you get a 6.59-inch 1.5K OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate and 1,200 nits peak brightness. It also has crystal glass protection and IP69 dust and water resistance for extra peace of mind. Now for the feature everyone will talk about, the built-in cooling fan. OPPO has hidden it neatly inside the rear camera area, with the air vent placed along the side, keeping the design clean and practical. But here's the big question, is it noisy? We tested it with a decibel meter at full speed, and it stayed under 40 dB. In everyday use, it's so quiet you'll sometimes forget it's even running. Next, we tested how much it actually cools the phone. We heated it to 48.4 degrees Celsius, then turned the fan on. After 2 minutes, it dropped to 45 degrees Celsius. After 4 minutes, it reached 42.8 degrees Celsius. By 6 minutes, it was down to 41 degrees Celsius, a total drop of 7.4 degrees. That's a seriously impressive result. Of course, the fan isn't working alone. The OPPO K15 also uses high-conductivity graphite and thermal gel, combining multiple cooling methods to remove heat more efficiently. So why put an active cooling fan in a mid-range phone? The answer is simple. The OPPO K15 is built for people who spend a lot of time outdoors. Whether you're using navigation for hours or recording long videos, the fan helps keep temperatures lower so performance stays more stable when the phone is under pressure. The display is another big win. It's bright enough to stay clear even under direct sunlight, making outdoor use much easier. Plus, with dust and water resistance, you won't have to panic if you get caught in the rain. Another standout feature is the massive 8,000 mAh battery. But how long does it really last? We ran a 5-hour battery test with a screen at 200 nits and volume at 50%. 1 hour of TikTok used 10%, Weibo 9%, streaming 1080p video just 5%, navigation 6%, and Honor of Kings 12%. After 5 hours of mixed use, the battery had dropped only 42%. That's an excellent result, and if you mainly use navigation, it'll easily last a full day. Charging is just as impressive. The OPPO K15 supports 80-watt SUPERVOOC charging. It goes from 1% to 12% in 5 minutes, 45% in 30 minutes, and reaches 100% in 79 minutes. For an 8,000 mAh battery, that's seriously good. You also get PPS charging, bypass charging, and wired reverse charging, so you can even charge other devices in an emergency. The cameras are another surprise. Instead of cutting corners, OPPO gives you a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel selfie camera with autofocus. Around the 2,000 yuan price range, that's a complete camera setup without useless filler sensors. Photo and video quality are consistently solid, and features like real-time collage and AI object removal add extra creative options. The rest of the specs are just as well-rounded: mountain and sea communication, dual-frequency GPS, full-featured NFC, and an IR blaster all add convenience. There's also a dedicated outdoor mode that boosts screen brightness, increases speaker volume, and reduces background noise, making the phone much easier to use outside. So, what's the final verdict? The OPPO K15 is easily one of the most balanced phones around the 2,000 yuan price point. The built-in cooling fan keeps performance stable, while the 8,000 mAh battery and IP69 rating make it a great choice for outdoor users. Add the capable cameras and solid everyday experience, and you've got a true all-rounder that's hard to ignore. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!